One of the biggest things that I see about a lot of us that have come out of Christianity is that we still keep a lot of the Christian thinking. We still hate the same people we hate. For men, a lot of times, for example, there's still the misogyny that was laced in Christianity. There's this negative programming. Around the ideas of like Adam and Eve giving Adam the apple. When in reality, that had everything to do with the masculine and feminine operating together. Okay, that's what this idea meant. But we were taught something in Christianity that made this stuff almost unrecognizable. But the good part of it is that we now have access to the old original teachings of where these ideas came from. And they can help us become more. They can help us live life to the fullest, rather than making us live life limited and thinking that something is wrong with us and that we need something or someone to save us. You are powerful beyond belief.